In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently or also disable it temporarily. First things first, you cannot do either of these in the mobile app. So either go to your mobile browser, Instagram.com, and sign in, or go onto your desktop like I am, Instagram.com, sign in, and get to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, click Edit Profile, and at the bottom of Edit Profile on both desktop and mobile, you'll see temporarily disable my account. If you click or tap on that, you can temporarily disable your account instead of deleting it. Your account's going to be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. Now, you can't do this every day. You can only do it once a week, but this helps keep all your stuff safe, but also kind of have your account mock deleted. However, if you want to delete your account permanently, you have to go to a very specific URL. I have it pasted in the description down below, so you could just click on it. It's also right up here, Instagram.com accounts/remove/requests/permanent. Once you go there, it's actually the delete your account page, and you can only get here through that link. So instead of temporarily disabling, this is actually going to delete your account completely. All you have to do is select one of these choices, re-enter your password, and then it's going to let you know that your profile and account details will be deleted 1 month from the day that you are deleting it right now. So you won't be visible on Instagram between now and then, but that's when it will be permanently deleted. So you'll be able to change your mind and log back in before that date, but effectively it's going to be deleted as soon as you hit this button, and it will definitely be permanently gone a month from now. So it'll say the name of the account you're deleting right here. If you click that button, it asks you if you're sure, and I am sure. This is a random art account I had before, but now my account will be deleted on this date, although it's already deleted and not showing up on Instagram. And of course, if you change your mind, all you have to do is log back in before then to keep your account. You will lose that username. It'll be out in the wild again. If you sign up before someone else does, you could pick it back up, or someone could take it from you potentially. So just keep that in mind when you're deleting your Instagram account.